Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
At the age of 17, American snowboarder Chloe Kim was the youngest woman to win an Olympic gold medal in the halfpipe competition. Challenge.
The champion announced another adventure she will be involved in this fall, attending college at Princeton University. Kim told the Associated Press she looks forward to a new challenge, earning a degree from one of America's top universities.
In this example, a challenge is a difficult task or problem.
Anything that is hard to do can be called a challenge.
A challenge is also a refusal to accept something as true, correct, or legal.